Hello everyone, welcome to Scholars Academia. We'll be starting with the fourth sum of circle chapter. Before starting, subscribe to the channel for more updates and let's get started. In the circle with center O, angle BOD is 160 degrees and chord BC is equal to CD. Here BC is equal to CD. We have to find angles BOC, OBD, OBC and CBD. Let's start with the first part. Like in the previous sums, we had divided the sum into four parts. Again, similarly, we will be dividing the sum into four parts, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, so that it becomes easy for us also to solve the sum. So first one, we have to find angle BOC. First we'll write whatever is given in the question. So angle BOD equal to 160 degrees and chords are equal. So chord BC equal to chord CD. First part, we have to find angle BOC. Now you have to see where angle BOC comes. If you see, it comes in this part of the diagram over here. So I can draw this diagram as this way, kind of a triangle. B, C, O. We have to find angle BOC. Angle BOC is inscribed into a quadrilateral that is extending over here. This kind of quadrilateral, and this is 160 degrees. We have to find only this part of the angle. So what we will do is, this and this are equal chords, BC and CD are equal chords. So we will half the angle O to find out angle BOC. So this will come like this. Angle BOC is equal to half of angle BOD, and we can write the reason: equal chords make equal angles. BOC is equal to half of 160. BOC will be 80 degrees. So I got angle BOC as 80 degrees. This is 80 over here. 80 degrees. Next we want to find angle OBD. Next I'll write for angle OBD, that is the second part. Find angle OBD. Again we have to see the diagram. Where does OBD lie? OBD is over here. So this part of the diagram is OBD over here. I'll draw it like this. This is B, D, O. This is 160 degrees. Now if I see, OB and OD is the radius. So first I'll write here OB equal to OD equal to radii. Okay. So OB is equal to OD. Since OB and OD are equal, base angles will be equal. I'll take them as X. Therefore angle OBD is equal to angle ODC equal to X degrees. Now with the help of angle sum property, we can find angle OBD. So in triangle OBD, angle OBD plus angle ODC plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree, and Reason will be angle sum property. Now OBD is x plus 160 degrees equal to 180. 2x equal to 180 minus 160. So 2x equal to, this becomes 20, and x will be 20 upon 2, that is 10. Therefore, I will get angle OBD as 10 degrees. Second part is done. Now for the third part, that is angle OBC. For angle OBC, OBC comes in this part of the triangle. OBC. If I see BOC, BOC was 80 degrees. I'll write here 80 degrees. I got OBD as 10 degrees. BOC was 80 degrees. Now again OB and OC are equal because they are radius. So we will write first OB equal to OC because radii. Now base angles will be equal. So angle OBC and angle OCB will be x. Therefore angle OBC equal to angle OCB equal to x degrees. Then in triangle OBC, this is the similar ones to angle OBD, so we can find out easily. So angle OBC plus angle OCB plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree angle sum property. OBC is x, OCB is also x. So x plus BOC is 80 degrees. 80 equal to 180. Now 2x equal to 180 minus 80. So 2x equal to 100. That is x equal to 100 upon 2. That is 50. I get OBC, angle OBC equal to 50 degrees. Third part is done. This is 50 degrees. Last part of the sum, that is angle CBD. So fourth part, find angle CBD. Again we have to see where the CBD lies. CBD comes over here, this part of the quadrilateral, so the whole quadrilateral, like this, O, B, C, D. We want to find CBD. We have OBD. Here we have got OBD as 50, OBD as 10 degrees, and whole angle, that is this part, angle OBC is, angle OBC we got as 50 degrees. That is, this part is 50 degrees. If I have this whole part 50 and I have this small part 10, then I can deduct the both angles and I can get CBD easily. Let's see. Now I'll take angle OBD. Angle OBD equal to 10 degrees. And what I have, angle OBC. Angle OBC equal to 50 degrees. Now angle OBC is made up of two small angles. OBC is made up of OBD and CBD. OBD plus CBD. OBC is 50 degrees, so substitute 50 OBD is 10 degrees plus angle CBD. Now 50 minus 10 equal to angle CBD, and at the end I get CBD equal to 40 degrees. This is the last part, which is 40 degrees. Now to find angle OBD and OBC, we can use similar method, that is isosceles triangle theorem, where the radius was equal, so base angles were also equal. Also, in the last sum, I had taken the whole quadrilateral because the bigger angle, that is angle OBC, was made up of two small angles, and with the help of those two angles, we found out what is the answer of angle CBD. For more solutions like this, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.